Doc, I'm from the future.
Oh nah, here we go.
Hey, welcome to Easy English Mike, where we make learning English easy and fun. And in this lesson, we'll see how to use the future. Oh, we don't use will? Oh. Now let's talk about why we hardly ever use will in English. The first thing you need to know is that we never use will if we have organized or planned something. So for example, I don't say I will go to Paris on Saturday. This is a big mistake. In English, we have 4 ways to speak about the future. The first is be going to, the present continuous, the present simple, and the last one is will. Let's talk about the first one, be going to. We use be going to for future intentions. Here is an example. I'm going to go to a concert next month. In many languages, you just put the future of the verb, but in English, we put all of this just to make it a future. You mustn't translate it, it just gives us the information that the verb that comes after is in the future. To make it negative, you must make the be part negative. So put not after be. I'm not going to go to the concert next month. Let's make a question. As before, you must make the be part a question. So invert the subject and be. Am I going to the concert next month? As you can see, you must know how to use the verb to be. So if you don't remember very well, go back and have another look. We also use be going to for predictions. And here's an example. I look up at the sky and I see dark clouds and I predict rain in the future. I say, it's going to rain. Or, I think it's going to rain. If I put I think, it automatically makes it a prediction. In the negative form, I don't think it's going to rain. Question, is it going to rain? And for predictions, we also use will, but we're going to see this later. The next one is the present continuous. We use the present continuous like in the first example of be going to. I'm going to go to the concert next month. I'm going to the concert next month. But there's a little difference between them. Be going to is more for general intentions. We use the present continuous for something that is already planned or organized. Now, which do you think is correct? I'm going to watch Netflix tonight. I'm watching Netflix tonight. They are actually both correct because it can be an intention and something I've planned. The present continuous is generally more used because it's shorter. But it's not really important which you use. It is important that you don't use will for these situations. We use the present simple for timetables. So in general, if there is a time. Typical examples are buses, planes, concerts, lessons, etc. The bus passes at 6 p.m. Tomorrow, the flight arrives at 7 a.m. When does the concert start? My English lessons are on Monday at 9 a.m. So to sum up, we use be going to for future intentions and predictions, the present continuous for something we have already organized or planned, and the present simple if there is a set time. And now let's speak about will. As I said before, one of the uses of will is for predictions. So we can say, it's going to rain, or it will rain. For short, it'll rain. To be precise, there is a slight difference between the two. We use be going to when something in the present makes me predict a situation in the future. We use will for a general guess. For the next one, let's start from the example. 2 friends are talking together. I'm playing football tomorrow. It's going to rain. Okay, so I'll watch some Netflix. So in what situation do we use it? When we decide to do something while we are speaking, like at the restaurant, you look at the menu and decide what to get. I'll have a pizza. You decide in that moment, or more or less in that moment. Another situation for another use is your friend tells you a secret. And you say, don't worry, I won't tell anyone. So we use this for promises. And if we use this structure, you don't need to say I promise, because it's already there, it's in will. The next use is for offers. So for example, you see your friend needs help, you say, I'll help you. Two friends are talking together. I'm cold. I'll close the window if you like. To make an offer in the question form, we use shall. Shall I help you? And we only use it with I, shall I help you? Or we, shall we help you? Now let's sum it all up. We use be going to for future intentions and for predictions. We use the present continuous. If we have organized or planned something, we use the present simple when there is a future time. And we use will for predictions if we decide something while we are speaking, promises and offers. I hope everything's clearer now and you stop using will for every situation. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and see you in the future.